Today we're going to learn how to connect to Android Auto in your new Macan Electric. This can be done in one of two different ways. You can do it via wireless, or you can do it through a wired connection. The first step in the process is to select the Android Auto tile. Then select Connect New Device. On your mobile device, you'll go to Bluetooth. Then select the vehicle. There's a request to pair, select pair. On the PCM, also the same request, select confirm. On the screen is a permissions pop-up. Would you like to allow data to transmit between the car and your mobile device? Select yes, I agree. On your mobile device, would you like to allow access to contacts? Select allow. And would you like to allow access to messages? Also select allow. You're now connected wirelessly to Android Auto in your new Macan Electric. Now let's check out the second way, which is a wired connection. All you need to do is connect the cable on the other end to your USB-C and then connect it to your phone. You'll have the permissions for data transfer between the vehicle and the phone. Select yes, I agree. And you're now connected to Android Auto using the cable. Another feature of Android Auto that you can utilize here in your Macan Electric is the ability to have turn-by-turn navigation from Google Maps in the instrument cluster. To get this to appear in the instrument cluster, select Maps inside Android Auto, and then of course select a destination, Barber Motorsports Park, home of the Porsche track experience, and select Start. And now you can see here in the instrument cluster we have our Google Maps navigation in addition to our PCM screen. You can adjust the route by the icons. You have alternate routes if you would like to search something else, or if you would like to add a stop here. So I would like to add a stop, choose destination, and let's look for a coffee shop along the way. Here we go. Starbucks on 280, and we'll select here to add this to our route. If you need to adjust it, you can just move it there. You now can navigate using Google Maps and Android Auto in both the PCM and the instrument cluster in your new Macan Electric.